Use a Trimtex shower bead and a disciplined mud and sand workflow to create a durable, paint-ready edge where the drywall meets the tub surround flange. Start by removing any loose material and clean the flange and surrounding drywall so mud will adhere. Measure the gap and choose a Trimtex shower bead size that provides a recessed caulk channel while covering the gap. These beads have a perforated fin that embeds in joint compound and a channel that keeps caulk off the wall face. If the drywall edge is unstable or bowed, fasten a short wood shim or staple the drywall back to the stud through the paper only so you do not tear the face. Staples or fine drywall screws set slightly below the paper will pull the edge tight. Apply a thin skim coat of setting compound into the gap and bed the Trimtex bead into the mud, keeping the bead straight and aligned with the flange. Press the perforated fin into the compound so every hole is filled. Let the setting compound cure fully, then apply 2 finish coats of lightweight joint compound feathered out wider each pass, sanding lightly between coats with fine grit to remove high spots while preserving the caulk channel. For the final step, tear away the front of the bead or use the bead design to expose the recessed channel, then run a high-quality silicone or hybrid bathroom sealant into the channel and tool to a smooth finish. Common problems include the bead not bonding because the fin was not fully embedded, which you fix by removing the bead, cleaning loose compound, and reapplying a thin setting compound to fully seat the fin. Another issue is a bowed drywall edge that leaves an irregular reveal, solved by inserting thin shims behind the edge or using staples set into the stud through the paper to pull the edge flat before bedding the bead. A third problem is visible ridges or over-sanded areas near the flange, which you can correct by applying a thin glaze coat to fill low spots, sanding minimally, and preserving the caulk channel so the sealant adheres only in the recessed area. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like this and to share practical how-to advice. Our site helps homeowners find local professionals and helps contractors find work, and we also host a discussion community where users and tradespeople exchange tips and photos.